Hello, baby. It's not my day to clean. I just came in to take somebody's bed out of their litter box, so thought I'd do some quick little video. You are too. That's alright, they want making all the noise. But look how affectionate Winnie is. This is Winnie. She was a little shy before. Hi, sweetheart. Hello, baby. Hi. You don't like your little bed there, huh? You shoved it right out of the cubby. Look at her tail straight up, all nice and friendly. Pushing her head into my hand. What a sweet girl. Well, this is Thursday. We'll be here tomorrow, 4 to 7. Aww. Good girl.